Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 4. This is Section 2.10, Problem 4. It says use the symbols less than or greater than to indicate which fraction is larger and which fraction is smaller. We have the fractions 7 over 5 and 21 over 100. Well, at first glance, 21 over 100 seems to have bigger numbers and it seems like it should be bigger, but it's really not the case. So to make a good comparison, you have to make the denominators the same. You have 5 and 100. So both denominators divide into 100 evenly. So 100 is a good common denominator. Now for the 7 over 5, look at the denominator of 5 and see what value multiplied times 5 would turn it into a 100. Well, that would be times 20. 5 times 20 is 100. So the numerator would also be multiplied times 20. 7 times 20 is 140. Now the other fraction, 21 over 100, if I got to keep the 100, the denominator, I also get to keep the numerator, 21. Now, where they're both over the same denominator, clearly 140 over 100 is much larger than 21 over 100. So the 7/5 is the larger fraction, so the inequality symbol is placed with the open end towards the 7/5.